Welcome to the overview video of my Jura X9 coffee machine. It's currently for sale on eBay, so I wanted to do a video to show the condition and the operation of the machine. I've had this machine for around about 5 years and it's been excellent. It's been flawless actually the whole time we've had it. Why are we selling it? I've just treated myself to a brand new Jura machine. It's a bit smaller and yeah, just thought I'd treat myself really. This is my second Jura coffee machine that I've had, and as I say, both of them have been excellent. This, I'm sure you're aware, is a commercial machine, so therefore it's the larger and it's got some more features on it like the dual hoppers, and I'll go through that in a moment. This morning it's had a full service, so it's been fully decalcified, so it's had the descaling done this morning, and I've also just given it another clean as well, so again using the Jura tablets, so it's all good and ready to go. I do recommend using the Jura tablets. They are expensive, but they do help the life of the coffee machine significantly. Alright, okay, so because it's already on and I haven't made a coffee before, I don't expect it's going to do a rinse cycle when I switch it on, but normally it would. You lift up the little flap at the front and you push this button here and it then switches the machine on. If it's the first time in the morning, you can program it to come on at a certain time if you want, but it will it will switch on, it will heat up, and then it will rinse if it's made a coffee since it's been rinsed. Okay, so across this front panel here, this is where you can go into the setup mode, and what I'll do is quickly go into this mode here. This is where you can set up the hardness of the water, and you can do things like how long you want it to be before it turns off, so it's not on all the time, and program it to come on in the morning and stuff like that. Okay, if I go to information, it will then tell me how many coffees a machine has made. So I'll quickly just cycle through these so you can see how many there are, how many cleans it's had. In total, 62,501 coffees, and it does go all the way through, and it shows you exactly what it's had for each one of them in its life. Okay. Then back to the main screen. You can program them. I mean, obviously I can't do it myself, but you can have a Jura engineer do this for you, and you can change what the buttons actually do. This bottom one here, where you can't really see it on there, but it actually says decaf. What it is, and it's been configured so that the hopper here on the left-hand side works for all of the coffee programs, except for this one here, which is decaf. So you can put decaf beans on the right hopper, and then on the left-hand side hopper, it will then run for all the rest of them. What you can also do inside each of the settings, if you don't want to use it as decaf, if you want to have a blend of coffee between these, then you can run 2 different types of coffees in both the hoppers, and then have a blend across them. So that's done through the setting page. Alright, okay, so of all the options we've got cappuccinos, milk coffees and macchiatos and milk froth. These are all using the milk pipes. You can buy a Jura Cool Control, which is an accessory like that. That then cools the milk and then allows you to put a fridge for the milk to run straight into the machine. Alternatively, what I did when I first got this machine was I used to use it just by putting those pipes straight into a milk bottle itself. Okay, what I'll do is set this out of the way. Obviously this height adjusts on the front here. We've got the dual spout so you can do multiple coffees, and we've also got our water spout and our steamer here on the right. Just for speed, I'll choose an espresso. Some grinds running from the left-hand side hopper. Jura have their wonderful pre-brew on them. That's why you always get such amazing crema on the product. Okay. I've set this to be about 50 ml, but obviously so you can change that inside. And again, obviously see the crema, it's lovely. Alright, okay, next up we have a hot water spout. Don't use this very often, but this will then give you instant hot water so you can top up obviously your coffee, and then there's also a milk steamer over here on the right as well. like so. Generally showing around the machine, it is an old machine, so it does have some scuffs and marks on it, as you'd expect. Don't expect it to be brand new. Across the top here, you see that there are some marks. If I can refocus, it's back up again. In there, I can't really see those, if I'm totally honest. A couple of marks down the front. Like that.
Daddy, you finished?
2 minutes, darling. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.